Effective foods which fight and destroy cancer cells. If you wish to fight cancer and make certain that it doesn't return, the body should be balanced, along with the what you eat, as well as your defense mechanisms in first-class condition. How will you do this? Detox regularly, get the body right into a slightly alkaline pH level, after feed the body the greatest quality, organic, nutritionally dense food you'll find. Your ultimate goal here's to rebuild your defense mechanisms and turn it into a natural killer, battling cancer like gangbusters when you immerse every non-cancerous cell within your body with beautiful diet. Essential olive oil. Among the staples from the healthy Mediterranean diet, extra virgin essential olive oil continues to be proven in studies to safeguard against cancer of the breast, cancer of the prostate and cancer of the colon, simply to name a couple of. This is among the best oils you should use for effectively fighting back against cancer. Tomatoes. Although all vegetables are healthy, tomatoes are head and shoulders over the produce crowd. Regular use of tomatoes has consistently been associated with a lesser chance of developing numerous kinds of cancer. It's because our prime amounts of carotenoids along with a compound known as lycopene. Among the advantages of tomatoes is it does not matter that which you use them, freeze them, juice them, stew them, prepare them, boil them, or create a sauce from them, to destroy their healthy compounds. Eco-friendly tea. You've probably heard right now concerning the numerous health advantages of eco-friendly tea. The main catechin in eco-friendly tea, EGCG, has been discovered to bar pro-inflammatory chemicals in your body. Eco-friendly tea has several health advantages, example increasing the metabolic process which stimulates defense mechanisms function, but you've now learned that there's yet another to include towards the list, super cancer fighter. How brew fresh eco-friendly tea from Japan in your own home. The stuff offered in bottles and cans contain very little dietary value.